gather around, gather around. I have a few announcements to make. All right. Now that Andy MacArthur has graced us with his presence, I'll be announcing the roles for Hamlet. Daphne will be playing Gertrude. Will be playing the role of Rosencrantz and Guildenstern.
Yes! Oh my god, I knew it! I knew it!
And the role of Hamlet will be played by
Andy MacArthur. All right, you off-Broadway wannabes, listen up.
Who are you?
I'm Andy's probation officer. I have no love for the theater or for you groundlings, and I am not here to be your next Patty LaPone. It's my unfortunate responsibility to assure that Andy stays sober and serves his community. Everyone, say hello to your new Prince of Denmark.
I thought I was playing Hamlet.
No wife for tonight?
Not today.
So, Brian, I hear that you are a nurse and you are also...
I was a model, but then I was a nurse in a catalog, and I had that awakening. I could see myself as a nurse. It was my calling. I heard you're currently studying business management?
Yes. Wait, so where did you guys meet? Are you sure you don't want wine? Tastes better with it. Never mind, I'll get you some anyway.
Once you manage to meet with the galleries. Hi. Brian, you must be Rachel's brother.
William,
Rachel's friend.
All I really want from my artwork is for people to see it and for it to, I don't want to say that whole cheesy thing of to make people happy. I think, you know, oh, my dog's dead, look at my artwork, that's better. No, I just do it and then I see what happens and then I just enjoy the reaction, I see what happens. I like the idea of just doing what I like doing, constant party, it's good.
第一天来上班的时候，就李翔，好像是李翔是谁，就发现有一个公司就是抄袭了林帆的创意，然后我就去看了一些代码，结果里面代码连我自己写的注释都在那个代码里面，等于是连代码都是把我的搬过去了。其实是你如果想用一个弱者的身份去回击别人的话，想去硬碰硬，你是碰不过人家的。所以我们就想，能不能用一种巧妙的方式，让我们得到一些合理就是公平的回应。我就是随口丢了句，要不我们就来画大便吧。我们一晚上收集了大概3、4千坨大便。 那个公司的团队就回复了，也表达出诚意，希望和解。
他们不可能做到像我们这样，就是从核心开始就有一套完整的想法什么的。
我们容纳了这么多用户的作品，但是我们并没有给这件事一个结果。我觉得这就是一个对所有参与我们的一个交代。
应该直接担起你属于你自己的这份责任。比如 iOS， 那我就明确指定就是黄建仁负责。那从现在起到3月1号，
作者和传播者并不是我们，而是10万个或者说30万提交作品的用户每一个人。
How come you are so upset?
I'm staying in the body of his dead wife. And you knew that.
Being with him as the woman he loves most in his life, isn't that a good thing for you?
I don't want to be someone else.
End his life if you don't want to lose yourself. Let his blood drop on the painting, and you can leave the body with your spirit.
Have you ever loved someone? I will give all my love to Vincent. I am what I love, not what loves me. That love, I own it. And it keeps me from losing myself.
Slidey pose, the guy and Kim Bell in the way.